back on again and look at my perspective and see this weird perspective. It's weird thing to look for. Trying to push people that a girl. That's the person just jumping into the pool like I'm a freaking maniac. The guy with bruh, and it's like why do you have like red on and the orange head? Everybody's just drinking bullshit. So, we oh my god, he said a bad word and I'm just gonna people it's also weird that but you're not the first for I don't like it. I don't like the slow game. Right, 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 green elf. The hockey versus the hockey guy. Merlin. For the glory of Merlin. And that's it for this video. Now it's very